I try to redo the track. But it's not about finishing the courses, because one thing I found with DataCamp is, especially when you're auto-completing the answers, right? Like, I don't know if everybody gets that, where it's like you did, maybe for example, in the previous place you created a list, and now you're iterating through the list. So the first one, they give you the list to create, and then you create it, and the next one you're iterating through the list. It feels like you're going through a series of just check boxes. That's not actually what gets you hired. It's what you're able to do after that or during that. Sometimes with the, like in DataCamp, one thing I love about it is they tell you that this data set is available for you. Leave the platform, like you do the thing, leave the platform, go and build projects. And that is just like, people like say, oh, maybe there's no data source. DataCamp actually gives you like opportunities or access to a lot of data sources, like a lot of like variety of data sources. So I don't think it's finishing the course that gets you hired or shows you expertise. What gets you hired is showing your expertise, but finishing the course doesn't necessarily show your expertise. You need to build projects. You need to talk about the work you're doing. You need to meet the right people, because as much as we talk about this, there is the aspect of luck. A lot of it is luck, and also your colleagues, like the people you're learning with. People, one thing I've learned recently is people always try to network like up, but I figure I actually know now it's better to network like laterally, because it's your guy, it's your babe that would get that job and say, oh, and oh, we're looking for somebody else, or the place I left before is whatever. But it's coming together, collaborating, building something to show your expertise. And it doesn't just have to be you. For example, I have a couple of projects that have collaborated on with like Boris. A lot of you know Boris. He's a machine learning engineer, a data scientist. I don't know what he goes by these days. But like it's a lot of that. It's a lot of pushing ourselves to oh, I couldn't solve this least code question, or oh, can you collaborate on this article with me, or can you help me solve this, or I saw this question, I couldn't solve it, can we come together and do all of that? I think it's showing your expertise that gets you hired, but I'm not also putting down the fact that you need to network, and then there is the aspect of luck, obviously.
All right, cool stuff.